Credit notes. In this video, we will discuss how to create credit notes by converting from invoice method. You can go to sales module and you can select invoices. From here, you can select which invoice you are going to create a credit note. You can select the relevant invoice to make an credit note. After that, you can click these three dots and select create credit note. So this message will display when you create the credit note option. So when you are creating from an invoice, it will automatically apply the credit note to the invoice. So are you sure about creating it? You can click OK and you can create the credit note. After you click the OK button, it will redirect to credit note section. Now in this method, customer will automatically select it. And you can view customer details, sidebar. Then system will create the credit note number automatically. Date apply. You can create or you can select salesperson, subject, and you can see in the item table those items already populated to the screen. You can view the item, quantity and rates. And here you can view the totals. After that, you can save this credit note. So when you are converting from an invoice, it will automatically populate the customer name, items, quantity and rates. So if you want to change these quantities, you can edit here. Assume you already solved 6 quantities, but customer will return only 2, so you can change the quantity to 2. After that, you can save this credit note. Now you can see that there's a partial payment for this invoice. You can see that credit applied from this credit note, 600 apply for this invoice. And you can go to the credit notes and you can see the credit note here. Like that, you can convert invoice to a credit note. So here you can see the status as closed. Now if you haven't allocated any credit note to invoice, it will display as open. Here status is closed and you can see that invoice number also from which invoice that credit note has converted. You can view from here. Like that, you can convert invoices to a credit note.